In a time not so long ago, in a family woven with love and quiet strength, there lives a woman named Monica. But to those who love her most, she is Kaka, Kamoning, Nanay, the eldest among 6 siblings, sister to many, a guiding light from the very beginning. Her story is one of strength, of sacrifice, and a love that never runs dry. She became a mother to 5 children, raising them with gentle hands and a strong, unwavering heart. And beside her was the love of her life, her partner, her strength, Tatai. Together they built a home, not just with walls, but with love, faith, and memories. But life, as it often does, brought a season of sorrow. When Tatai was called home, Nanay's love did not fade. It grew even stronger. In silence she endured. In pain she remained steadfast. Her love became the glue that kept the family whole. Through every trial, her dedication never wavered. Her strength never faltered. And her love, it did not stop with her children. It continued, flowing endlessly to her 4 beloved grandchildren, each one carrying a piece of her heart, each one holding memories of her warmth, moments of laughter, moments of care, moments that will last a lifetime. Up until this very day, she loves without hesitation, without condition, without end. 75 years of life, of love, of legacy. And her story is far from over, because in every life she touched, she lives on.
Hello, Sister Monica. Happy birthday. Happy 75th birthday. All my love, my prayers, and all the best and blessings for you. Enjoy life because it is very beautiful. Hi, bye-bye.
Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat dyan. At sa iyo, aking BFF, Monica. Happy, blessed 75th birthday. Bonus na bonus sa atin, dumating tayo sa edad natin ito. Ako ay 77, ikaw ay 75 pala ngayon. Masaya pong pagdadaos ng kaarawan ng aking kaibigan. Kumusta po kayong lahat diyan? At sana maging masaya ang inyong pagdiriwang sa kanyang kaarawan. Muli, happy 75th birthday and more birthdays to come. So I will be there. Thank you.
Happy birthday po, Nanay Moni. I miss you na. I love you. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday po.
Hi Kaka, happy birthday. Miss ko na yung adobong pinabaon mo sa akin noon. Ayun, mag-iingat ka palagi dyan. Alagaan mo yung health mo. And I love you. Yun lang.
Hello Kaka, happy birthday. I wish you have good luck always. At malusog ka lagi. Bye.
Love you, Kaka.
Love you Kaka.
Nanay, happy birthday po. Maraming po salamat sa pagmamahal ninyo sa amin ni Weng. At dalangin po namin palagi ang inyong magandang kalusugan. Happy birthday po ulit.
Unay, happy 75 birthday. Wish ko po sana bigyan niyo po kayo ng maraming birthday at hindi po nagkakasakit. Love you, wish you. God bless po.
Hello, Mothership. Happy 75th birthday. Enjoy mo yung birthday. Good health, and more peace, and more blessings. Happy birthday. See you. I miss you. Love you. Mama Chup Chup.